social media is your friend. Now, not for trolling posts or stalking old classmates, but for actually staying connected with companies you're interested in. Following your dream company's social media pages might not seem like rocket science, but it's a small game changer when it comes to finding your perfect gig. Not only are you able to keep up with their latest job postings, but you can also discover company culture and values, industry news, and maybe even gain a little insight into the hiring process. So, go ahead and hit the follow button. Who knows? Maybe your future boss will say, I hired them because they were our top social media follower.